welcome to KEE'S Way. Today I'm going to be doing a really quick look, really simple. So I'm rocking my, red and white vest. Okay, very summery. I already did my foundation. I already did all of that. I'm still using the same, what is this? CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made. The color I have is D10. If it would like to focus, yeah, D10. I like it. So, yep, I already have the foundation, concealer, eyebrows done. That part alone takes a long time, so I just like to get into the makeup look. So, I'm going to be starting off with my brow line up here. I'm going to use a little gold. Oh, you know what? Should I use gold? I'll use a tan. I'll use a tan. So how are you guys doing? It feels really good to be back. I was really pleased with the comments that I received. You guys seem to be you guys were very supportive, and I really appreciate that. So at first I was nervous, like, would they even want to see anything else from me? But you guys left some really amazing comments, and I really appreciate it. I really appreciate you guys. Okay, so that's what I got going on now. Now, I'm trying to think, do I want to do like stripes? How do I want to do this? I don't know. Okay, I'll go with a more natural color. See that? It's like pink or mauve. So I'm gonna go with that in my crease. Soft. Maybe a little more in this corner. Okay. Alright, so now, well, first, because I want to get this, jumbo eye pencil. I want to know if it'll like pop up today, so let's see. It looked like, so that's pretty good, because I couldn't find a white eyeliner. I'm going to go in on my lid first with red. Ooh, that's popping. I forgot to get setting powder. Okay. Well, this will be the part when I set this in. So now I'm going to add this jumbo eye pencil. It was pretty creamy when it went on my hand. Okay, let's see if this will work in place of the white eyeliner. So yeah, I want my white eyeliner. It's literally, it's just blending with that and making it pink. It's not ugly, but it's not what I wanted. So what I'm going to do, because I had a look that I was going for and I want it to be precisely what I envisioned, I'm gonna go in with some white eyeshadow and an applicator brush. I'm just gonna pack it in there. Alright, that was what I was going for. I had to do extra steps, but it's fine. Okay, so now I'm just gonna clean this up. This is the Pro Concealer in Fawn. That's even brighter.
Perfect.
So now I'm actually thinking I want to take the red a little bit higher. So now I have my eye makeup. Now I'm gonna add some eyelashes. So guys, I am back. I tried to do those Paris Hilton eyelashes. They were not cooperating. They were like kind of stiff. Yeah. So I got my favorite ones on. Okay. So now I'm gonna go in with some blush. It's kind of like it's like a burnt orange. It's kind of neutral for me. So a little smile. Okay, I'm just blending. Okay, to the other side. Slightly contouring too. Okay, so where are these nails? It's like they're getting caught on my hair. Okay, now I'm gonna take like this light pink. It probably looks the same to y'all, but it's a lighter pink. Put it right here just to give a little rosy look. And then a little bit on my nose. So it's still a cute little look. Right, so I'm done with the blush. Now I am going to do a little highlighter, and I still do not have a fan brush, so I'm going to carefully just try to be as neat as possible.
Bruh.
I like to shine bright like a diamond. No, I'm kidding. Okay, and then the other cheek. Alright, blend that in. Okay, and then this part of my chin. I don't know why I like to highlight it. This little cupid. If you want to. I just put a little, I don't like when that's like super highlighted. Okay, and now some lipstick. Oh yeah, this looks much better. And then like the eyelashes were like kind of pulling my eyes. Like these are more comfortable too. Like definitely go for flexible eyelashes. My eye was watering. Alright, I'm just get, oh, it's way too much. Okay. Like this stuff. It's minty. It's from Bath and Body Works, I think. Yeah. I like it. Tastes good. Okay. Ooh, child. Thanks for calling. Okay, I'll stop singing. And that's it. And look at this. You need to cancel the down. Yeah. And guys, that is the final look. I'm liking it. It's soft. Ooh. Who's quarantining but looking like a snack? Me? Okay. I'll stop. But thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Maybe you learned something. Let me know if you learned something new. I would recommend trying this. Like, I mean, this will still be helpful. Like, even though it didn't pop up like white, you can still use it as a guideline and then go in with the white eyeliner. But I thank you guys for watching this video. I love you all, and I really appreciate all the support. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.